Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the top 5 virtual data rooms offering unlimited data storage. What is a VDR? A VDR is a secure online repository for storing and sharing confidential documents. VDR are typically used during mergers and acquisition, fundraising, and other business transactions where multiple parties need to have access to sensitive information. Why unlimited data storage? Unlimited data storage is a valuable feature of VDR because it allows users to store as much as data as they need without having to worry about running out of space. This is especially important for business that need to store large amount of data such as financial documents, legal documents, and intellectual property. Here are top 5 videos offering unlimited data storage. Ideals. Ideal is a leading VDR provider that offers a variety of features including unlimited data storage. Ideal is known as its security and reliability, and it is trusted by businesses of all sizes including Fortune 500 companies. Interlinks. Interlinks is another leading VDR provider that offers unlimited data storage. Interlinks is known as for its user-friendly interface and its robust features such as detailed audit trail and advanced security features. SecureDocs. SecureDocs is a VDR provider that offers a variety of plans including a plan with unlimited data storage. SecureDocs is known as the competitive pricing and its focus on customer support. Mail DataSite. Mail DataSite is a VDR provider that offers a variety of plans, including a plan with unlimited data storage. Mail DataSite is also known as for its security and its focus on compliance. Pharmax. Pharmax is the VDR provider that offer a variety of plans including a plan with unlimited data storage. Farmlands is known as its user-friendly interface and its collaborating features. Here are some of the additional things to consider when choosing a VDR with unlimited data storage. Security. Make sure to choose a VDR provider that offers a reverse security features to protect your confidential data features. Consider the features that are important to you, such as user permissions, audit trails, and collaborations features. Pricing. Compare the pricing to different VDR providers to find a plan that fits your budget. Customer support. Make sure to choose a VDR provider that offers good customer support in case you need help with your account. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Take care and bye bye.